What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new video. So in this video I'm going to review a perfume from the house of Swiss Arabian, and I can tell you that this is one of the best releases from the house of Swiss Arabian in the year 2025. And here I'm talking about none other than Soul of Bali. Actually, Swiss Arabian got a collection of perfumes based on the name of different cities around the world. For example, this is Soul of Bali. This was launched in the mid of 2025. I was there in the event, but unfortunately I was not able to get this bottle from there. And then they have Opulence of Dubai. I have tried that one and I can say that that one is my second favorite from the line. This is my top pick right now. I love this fragrance. And then there is the Spirit of Valencia, there is Essence of Casablanca, Passion of Venice, and recently in the end of last month in Beauty World Middle East 2025 they have launched a new one, which is Enigma of Taif. Taif is a city in Saudi Arabia, and Taif is very famous for very intoxicating and exotic kind of roses. It's called Taif rose. So even I don't have that bottle with me right now, I don't got it. Even this bottle, Soul of Bali, is not mine. I have borrowed it from a friend of mine, and in the history of my YouTube channel, this is the first video I am reviewing from January 1st of 2020. So I'm making videos from last like 6 years, and this is going to be the very first review or video on my YouTube channel where I'm reviewing something that I don't own. Definitely I'm going to buy this perfume in coming days, but I wanted to make this review as soon as possible because I love this fragrance a lot, and I wanted to share my love for this perfume and my experience with you guys as soon as possible. So if you guys are planning to buy a new perfume in next couple of days, in a couple of weeks, or like in a month or two, just go and check this one before you buy anything else and you will be amazed. This one is literally amazing. I'm definitely going to buy this perfume, but right now this one is very expensive. This worth each and every penny of the price tag, but I know if I wait like a couple of weeks, I can get some better price. So maybe by end of this month, maybe I will able to get some good discounts for Black Friday, or by the end of next month. There must be some good discounts with all the brands for the new year, and on the 2nd December there is National Day coming. So I'm sure if I wait 2 weeks, I will be able to save a lot of money. But even if there will be no discount ever, I can tell you that each and every penny you will spend on this perfume will worth it. So this was about Soul of Bali from the house of Swiss Arabian, and let's start our review. So I cannot start with the presentation of the box because I don't have it. I had told you that this is a borrowed bottle from a friend of mine. So let's talk about the bottle. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful bottle. You can see the glass. There is a heavy glass base here. It's a polished bottle with this metallic plate here on the front with the name of perfume Soul of Bali, Extrait de Parfum, and the logo of Swiss Arabian. And then you will find this metallic cap here with the initials of Swiss Arabian engraved, and just by opening the cap I can able to smell it. So this is about the presentation, and now let me give you the notes breakdown, and after that I'm going to tell you that how this one actually smells. So here, as per official website of Swiss Arabian, in the top you will get pink pepper, ginger, rhubarb, bergamot, mango, and pineapple. Sounds interesting, right? In the middle you will get cardamom, olibanum, saffron, rosewood, nutmeg, and aquatic notes. More interesting. In the base you will get musk, sandalwood, cypriol, and ambergris. Amazing notes, a lot of fruits, it's spicy. There are resins, there is musk and sandalwood. So overall, beautiful notes breakdown. And now let's see that how this perfume actually smells, how it opens, and how it develops. So this is a very complicated and very dynamic, complex kind of scent. It got so many things. I can talk on this perfume for, I can say, like around 1 hour easily, but we have to keep the review short. So I'm just going to explain the main players here. So first of all, it's a tropical and green scent. You know Bali is very green. It's a tropical place as far as I know. I haven't been there until now. So yeah, it's tropical, it's fruity, it's green, It's musky and it's aromatic at the same time. Very complex. So in the opening, you will get a strong note of rhubarb. Rhubarb is going to provide that aromatic kind of feel here in this fragrance. Rhubarb is not easy for most of the people, but here it's in a right balance. So it's not going to annoy you. Even if you don't like rhubarb, at least test this perfume once. So there is a strong rhubarb in the opening mixed with that juicy sweet mango. So there is rhubarb, there is sweetness and fruitiness of mango, and then you will get fresh spicy ginger with some blue aquatic notes. So it's blue, aquatic, fresh, aromatic, fruity, juicy kind of scent in the opening. And then there is a strong note of saffron. Saffron is not very spicy, but it's like more on the sweeter side. So saffron and spicy fresh ginger, mango, rhubarb, a beautiful opening. Ginger is providing that extra punch of spicy freshness here, and when it mixed with sweet juicy mango, it creates that magical kind of opening which makes this perfume very unique. And then in the base, you will get beautiful creamy sweet sandalwood, and with sandalwood you will get a lot of musk, definitely, but the real soul of Bali is there in the middle, and that soul is greenery. You will get an amazing mix of cypriol, cardamom with some nutmeg and rosewood. So rosewood is like a sweet woody kind of thing. Cypriol is, we can say, poor man's oud. It smells like oud. Not exactly oud, but yeah, cypriol is that dense, sweet, woody kind of note which is used in perfumes to give that woody kind of feel. So cypriol, when mixed with rosewood, it will give you that sweet, rosy, woody kind of vibe. And then when it mixed with green cardamom, somehow it's going to give you that hashish note, or I can say the note of cannabis here. So all of you guys who have experienced black Afghano, I am sure they are very familiar with the note of hashish or with the note of cannabis. It's not similar to black Afghano at all, and it's not actually cannabis, but yes, overall when you smell it in the air, you will get that amazing and intoxicating blend of tropical fruits like a mango with some fresh spicy ginger with musk, a very strong rhubarb on the top, sandalwood in the base, and then in the middle you will get this amazing green cannabis kind of feel here. So somehow Swiss Arabian have really captured the soul of Bali, because Bali is very green. I have seen in the pictures and in the videos, and a lot of my friends have been there already. So yeah, so this is about the fragrance. So this is the opening. In the opening, it's more about rhubarb and fruits, tropical fruits with some musk, some saffron and some aquatic notes. But towards the second phase and then towards the dry down, it becomes more green and green and green, and then you will reach to a point when that green notes will become very prominent. It's earthy, it's mossy, it's deep and very strong type of green notes here in this perfume. And then in the final dry down, which will come after like 2 days, you will left with that same green herbal and spicy notes with soft sandalwood and musk. So overall, the journey is amazing. You will be loving this perfume from opening till end. The whole journey is just wow. So don't blind buy. Visit the store of Swiss Arabian. Try it first, because this is an expensive offering from the house of Swiss Arabian. So don't go blind. Go check it out, test it out, because this is a complex scent. This is not a very easy blue fresh kind of scent which most of the people are going to like, but this is complex. This is really complex, or I can say a true masterpiece from the house of Swiss Arabian. So try it out. This is Soul of Bali. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So if you want to know that if this thing is similar to any other perfume in the market, so let me tell you that there is a niche brand. It's a very underrated niche brand, but it's getting hype nowadays, and the name of that brand is Memoirs of a Perfume Collector. So if you know that brand, and if you have experienced their perfume Tales from Zanzibar, if you have experience that perfume, and if you like that perfume, you are definitely going to love it. This is not exactly the same thing, not at all. On Fragrantica they said like it's similar to that perfume, it's a clone of that perfume, but no, somehow they both fall in the same ballpark. But Soul of Bali got its own touch and its own direction here. But yeah, if you like that kind of fragrances, then you're definitely going to love Soul of Bali. So this was about something similar to this perfume in the market. And if you talk about the performance of this perfume is through the roof. Projection, sillage, lasting, amazing. It's so strong, so loud, and the best thing here is that you will not go nose blind. At least for me, I never get nose blind from this perfume, and I was able to smell this perfume even on the next day from my shirt easily, and for the whole day when I wear this perfume I was able to smell it. It was there. And this is the compliment magnet. People are going to ask you because this smells so unique. So this was about the performance. 10 on 10, 20 on 10. No issue in performance at all. For the gender, unisex scent, leans more towards the masculine side, but yeah, strong independent women can try it and they can rock it. For the age group, I would say like if you're around the age of like 16 plus, you can rock it. For the season or weather, this is something you can use all year around without any issue, but definitely not in high heat when the temperature is like 35 plus and you're going outdoors in direct sunlight. You are not going to enjoy it a lot. But whenever the weather is under 30 and it's cold, or if it's winters, you are definitely going to enjoy it a lot. And if you talk about the occasion, so just escape your sports activities and your gym and keep this perfume for some special occasions. So if you're going on a wedding where you want to be loud and strong, use this perfume on your dates, in a very special meeting, in a very special dinner, on your festivals like Eid, Christmas, Diwali, whatever, you know, festivals, get-togethers, pub, clubbing, dates, special kind of scenarios. You can use this perfume on the daily basis, but personally, I would love to wear this perfume on some special occasions so I can build my memories around this perfume. So this was about the occasion, and now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with this beautiful presentation. You can see the bottle here, and the current price of this perfume right now inside UAE is 400 UAE dirhams. It's 390 actually, but yeah, you have to go to the store to get this perfume, so just add like 10 dirhams for the commute, so 400 dirhams. And trust me, even if there will be no discount on this perfume, I will going to buy it. But because I have an option to save some bucks, so that's why I'm waiting for the month end. And I think in the coming UAE National Day, I will be able to get this perfume for around like 280 or maybe 300 dirhams. So this was about the pricing. 400 dirhams for this kind of perfume is totally worth it. So just go and try this perfume for yourself, and do let me know in the comments box if you liked it or not. Me personally, I loved it. One of the best scent launched in year 2025. So this was my review about Swiss Arabian's Soul of Bali. I hope you liked it, and I'm going to catch you in another video of some other great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.